What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're out here at the storage unit and we're gonna be working on the boat again. As you guys can see, my outboard motor's gone. I just had somebody come down and he grabbed my outboard motor and Josh's outboard motor that originally came on his John boat. So he picked up both of them, got it for a steal of a deal. And so now I am going to take off the cover. We're gonna get to work. I'm gonna see about possibly taking out some of the carpet. And then I want to get my trolling motor mounted up today. I'm going to leave the carpet on up here for now because I can just unbolt the trolling motor and then put the new carpet on once I've decided if I want to get new carpet, what kind of carpet I want to get, and then obviously like the time period, because if it's going to be like $500 for some new carpet, I'm not doing that until I get an outboard motor because that's more important. Okay, so we still got a bunch of old bolts and whatnot. Just gonna take all these. And we are gonna take this out as well. I ended up getting a new navigation light system. I actually have all my new parts right here, and then I have my battery to test out everything. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to run down and grab the bolts and the trolling motor and everything. And then I did pick up some shrink and then the little battery cable lugs so I can connect it to the battery. And I'll bring that with. Okay, let's see. Pop up in here. Oh man, I did have that guy who came up and bought the motors asked me if I had a tank and a line. I told him no. Dang, my fault, man. I didn't know. So as you can see, this is all the stuff from last time that we pulled out. We just haven't had anywhere to throw it away yet. Let's see. This. Okay. I think I just need these bolts. Oh my god, dude, I should have gotten a smaller trolling motor. Jeez, that thing's heavy. Okay. Oh, I should have grabbed my screwdriver too. Okay, what are we thinking that is? That is small as heck. It better not be a 5 because I don't have one of those. Oh, it is definitely a 5. I can just sense it. Oh no, it's actually a 7 and I don't have one of those either. Where did my 7 go? Oh, it's way too big. Okay, this will work. money. Got that out. Now I gotta get a screwdriver. Okay. Clearly, there's been a lot of different options here. We've had their trolling motor here. We've had their trolling motor here. And they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bolts for this one. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope, that wasn't. 5 bolts for this one. So, you know, that makes a lot of sense. Gotta hop back in there. It's free. Okay. These are the new bolts. So let's try to get that bad girl up here. See if we can't mock it up. Ugh. Okay. I just got a call from my friend, and he is actually gonna come out here and help me wire up some stuff because he's an electrician. So I'm gonna go get the trailer lights here, and we might see if we can't get these trailer lights on. Okay, this is gonna be a tough one, but I think I could do it. Cheese and rice. Oh. Holy guacamole. Okay. And she's just gonna step on this guy. Okay, so honestly, it looks like this needs to come up. Okay, got that bolt out. Make sure these fit good. Oh yeah, that's shmoney. This is definitely needs to be the other way around. Okay, we got this thing up here. Now it's time to turn it around. Okay, hold up. Where the hell did this rock come from? That has not been there this whole time. Pause. Okay, so let's see what we got going on here. I'm thinking I don't want to take up a whole lot of this deck space here. So what if okay, I am testing it out here. I got it deployed a little bit, but now I need it to go all the way down. There we go. There we go. It's locked in. Ah, just stepped on this. Okay, so this foot control, I mean, it's kind of interesting. I need this little thing to turn. Because I mean, I don't really want this to be up here. It's gonna be kind of awkward. At least I think, maybe. What in the heck? There's a switch right here? What? You guys see this? The heck? So yeah, I mean, right here, that's not bad. But I'm afraid when it moves, it's gonna try to pull this. Yeah, so I guess right now my only concern is that these wires kind of aren't long enough for it to sit here. So I feel like once I turn it, it's gonna wanna, you know, pull these wires out. So I mean, I can definitely bring it back a little bit. Cause yeah, I can even go kind of in a little bit closer here on the boat. It's just this side isn't really the best with all this extra stepping over here. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this little fish finder out over here. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna take out this fish finder so then I can kind of orientate it the other direction, and maybe I'll have some more room to kind of look around. Oh my gosh. Jesus Christ. These bolts are so long. For what reason? Okay. Finally, this thing comes out. But of course, it's held in by another self-tapper. Gosh. Never catch a break. Come on, baby. Dang, this knife is not sharp. This is the dullest knife ever. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna move this guy. Okay, so this side, having it like this is definitely a lot better with this wire than having it the other way. So I was kind of concerned I wouldn't have a lot of slack with this, especially when it's kind of turning. And so now that I have it this way, I have a lot of slack. I feel confident in that. So we're gonna pull it up, see how far it hangs out, if I need to kind of reorientate it. I went and got some new trailer lights, so we're gonna try to figure out what we got going on here. Hook these guys all up so we can at least have something working on this boat. So we have the one light here, but obviously no light over here. So I just ended up getting the whole kit so we can replace the whole thing.
Hours this week. Ugh. Dumb. So you only work 40? No chance for overtime?
Yeah.
That's gay.
Well, I guess I work 47 because I have 2 jobs.
True, but you don't get no overtime.
Yeah, no OT.
I was about to say, I get 6 hours overtime. That's 49 an hour.
Eh.
Oh, you're so cool. I don't have one. Actually, I do have one. Let's ask him. You made sure the wires were going, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sirski. Tie this side.
Those ones are gonna suck.
Come on, what the heck?
Hold on.
Okay, so we decided to say F this. We're pulling it out. Ugh. Look at all these shavings. Oh, okay. Wiring out.
We have no wiring. Can we run that wire exposed? Do you think we can?
Well, yeah, we'll run expo inside of the thingy bobber. Okay, so let's put these two together. Here, you want to come over here and just kind of make sure it kind of goes in all good. So we're gonna run it through here again.
Yeah, and we're gonna put this thing back on. Where is it?
Here's what? This? Alrighty, guys. So we have finally figured out what we're doing. We are tying our line here, or our wire, to this. Then we're gonna sling it through. Do the honors.
Let's see if this works. Dude, this doesn't work. I don't know.
No, it's gonna work.
I'm gonna have to go home.
It's going to work.
I need to let it go home.
Just don't hit it against that metal to hit the wires. Wait, I need the action shot. Hold on. 1 second.
Good?
1 second. Okay, good to go. Oh, my lanta. I see it.
You do?
Yeah, I got it.
Alright.
Okay, so now I should pull this tape off. Okay, I got it.
You got it?
Yep, I got it. It's in my hands. So now we'll just feed it all the way through. Here, make sure I don't nick anything.
Hold on, hold on. Alright. Okay, hold on. Alright, pull it in. Pull. And,
Yeah, just make sure we got some slack on that.
go again.
Do we have some slack on the end?
Alright.
Okay, so the green and the brown is going on this side, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna try to separate.
Are you reaching?
Hopefully. You don't think I'm reaching? I mean, I got a 20 foot. I'm pretty sure this trailer's only 19 or 18.
Yeah, but you got turns and stuff.
I mean, fair. Okay, here. We gotta try to route this now in a way.
Go up where your phone's at.
Yeah.
Go up with that. Run it across here.
Do you think we should strip a little bit more of that one?
You want to strip too much.
Mm-hmm.
To be honest. That's them telling me I need to go home. Or it might be my uncle telling me I'm right, like always. Nope, it is my baby. Telling me that I need to go home.
I need to go. Well, hey, just think about it. You already have the lights almost wired up.
I know.
So once the lights are wired up, you're good to go.
Yep, we'll just have to test it real quick.
Yep, I'll just pull up my truck, test it. Nice. Hold on, I'm gonna pull this back through and hope I don't bring any.
Really good.
Okay.
Now we gotta ground this guy.
I mean, it was grounded literally right there, so. I mean, we can ground it to like.
I mean, we can probably ground it there. Let's try.
Okay. Yeah, I'll grab your strippers.
Oh, more.
Man, last time you said too much, this time you're saying more.
You gotta get it in here. Or at least that's what we're gonna try.
Here, let me strip more.
That feels good enough. Good. This is what we'll do. Take that bad guy off. Nice. Let's roll it this way. Alright, and then put him on. Hold on, don't tighten it all the way. Alright, pull your truck. Close as possible. Dude, if this explodes in my hand, it was not my fault. It's not gonna explode. Yeah, flip it the other way. Yep. Get it? Feels like it's in. Oh, yeah, they're on. Oh, shit. They both on? Oh, hold on. We gotta get the GoPro for this. Press the brake. Hold on. Press the brake.
Well, no, my running lights are on. So they should be on right now, which is great because both of them are on. So here, take the GoPro.
Okay, brake. Now make sure my running light's off. They should be off. Hold.
No.
What?
Oh.
Only one of them is?
Yeah.
Maybe we don't have it in all the way then?
Maybe not. Yeah, get in there. Now this one's not on.
What? Okay, then it's definitely this connection then. It's not that connection.
Yeah, what the hell?
Maybe we need to tighten our ground a little bit more?
No, it's grounded, dude.
Well, it's not all the way on the box.
Alright, yeah, get it all the way on the box.
It might be this.
Yeah.
Because look, there's pins besides in these two. I mean, those could be the grounds, maybe. Is there pins in all of these?
Here, put that in, and then we'll try and connect this to it.
Okay. Hold on. I want to make sure I have this the right orientation.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's in there.
This one. No power to the right one. There's no power. The other one's working though. I really gotta get.
Yeah, no, you're good. It works.
It definitely works. It's just my connector is bad.
Alrighty, so here is the new front navigation light. I'm just kind of self-tappering it in here. Oh yeah, that boy ain't going nowhere. And
then yeah, I think I need a drill bit for kind of this stuff here. Because, oh, I mean, it's kind of going through. I mean, shoot, that'd be so much easier with a... Alrighty, well, it's getting dark here now, so I won't be able to mount the trolling motor in this video because I don't have any power tools, and unfortunately it's just too hard to get through this. But I was able to get this front navigation light in here, so that's good. And then we were able to run the trailer lights up. I'm just gonna kind of zip tie them so it looks a little bit nicer, but they should all be working. We had each of them working in stages, so I'm thinking my connector here on the end is kind of just going bad, so I'm just gonna have to pick up a new connector, the adapter, I believe. So yeah, other than that, all's good. I'm just gonna clean up all of our mess here, put the tarp back on it so it doesn't get wet, and yeah, I think that one's gonna end it up here. So thank you guys for tuning along. This completes episode number 2 of restoring the boat. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.